It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 Cadillac XT5 Platinum. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the XT5. The driver's door has power door locks, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, the power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage, and you'll notice this Cadillac comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, the electric park brake, some lighting controls, head-up display button and information tab, carpeted floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons along with the Bluetooth command, the heated steering wheel buttons down below along with lane departure alert and forward collision alert. To the right are some additional audio controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, interior light buttons, and OnStar. Up next is Cadillac's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has our audio and Bluetooth controls. It's also equipped with navigation. This screen also doubles as our backup camera. Here we go. Our hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just below. The engine push start button is to the right of the steering wheel. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the vehicle. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front seats, no slip matting, dual cup holders, and various drive modes. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, heated rear outboard seats, the rear fans, storage compartments, USB ports, carpeted floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We're also able to pass through to the rear by pulling that tether on the top of the seat. We're also able to fold these rear seats down by pulling the seat release on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2019 Cadillac XT5 Platinum, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.